You're only in day
away. How does it go again? Tomorrow. You got us going, huh, Roman?
He had to get it all the way into the back of his mouth.
Roman, can you sing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, tomorrow, I'll walk back.
Tomorrow. He knows the whole verse, but of course every time I turn the camera on, he stops. You're only a day away. Oh. And lonely. I just stick out my chin and eat a lot of pudding
And say,
oh, the sun'll come out. Alright, I picked a bad time. Roman, can you sing?
Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow.
You're only a day.
Oh.